Pyrolysis plant FORTAN in Russia, Tyumen region. Our company's service technician came to start up the plant. The place is prepared, plant is already assembled and ready for startup. This is an air cooling unit, which we additionally manufacture for operating the plant at low temperatures. At this site they recycle cables and wires to remove the insulation and obtain pure metal. We have a separate video where we show cable recycling, the entire process from loading to unloading, and we show in detail the result, which metal, namely aluminum and copper, was obtained at the output. You can find this video on our channel. Now cables are being thrown into the retort. For ease of loading, it is recommended to make a hole and lower the retort into it at ground level. This makes it easier to load raw materials. Here they did not have time to prepare the hole for retort, so they make loading in this form. The volume of retort is 2.6 cubic meters. Maximum allowed load is no more than 2 tons of raw material. The type of raw material does not matter, but the mass cannot be exceeded. The retort is made of heat-resistant stainless steel. The thickness of steel is 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters is the optimal steel thickness, at which the retort's mass is not too high, and therefore the time and fuel costs for its heating are not increased. At the same time, the service life of the retort bottom is up to 2 years and it can be easily and cheaply repaired. The bottom of retort can be made of thicker steel and it will last a little longer, but it will also cost more. The entire retort, where there is no high thermal load, with the exception of the bottom, does not need to be made of thicker steel. This will not affect the service life, but will only increase the consumption of time and fuel for heating the retort. With this steel, the retort has an ideal combination of price, quality, and easy repair. The shape of the bottom is a trimmed cone. The bottom of this shape, made of heat-resistant stainless steel, is not subject to deformation at operating temperatures in pyrolysis plant. And most importantly, such a bottom is easy to repair. Any factory that produces metal products in any region or city will be able to produce such a bottom quickly and cheaply, and you will not have any downtime due to complex and lengthy repairs. Now they load retort in the furnace. Here they use a truck crane for this. This is one of the lifting device options. You can also install a jib crane or a beam crane. Now they close retort with a lid. The lid has 15 centimeters of thermal insulation to reduce heat loss. This is a valve with an explosion-proof sheet. If automatic pressure relief valve is activated and the operator does not take any action to reduce pressure, then membrane will break. This way any possibility of an explosion is eliminated. After this, the process must be stopped and the membrane replaced. The plant is now working. This is the control panel. The indicators of thermocouple, which is installed in the retort lid, are displayed here. This way we know temperature inside the retort. This is pyrolysis gas on a burner. They started heating with wood, but now the pyrolysis gas is already on. We see that there are no visible emissions from the chimneys. The set includes 2 retorts for shift work. While one retort is in the furnace, the second is unloaded and prepared for a new process. As soon as the first retort is finished, it is immediately pulled out and the second retort is placed in a hot furnace. This way you can work around the clock with no stop. Our company produces FORTAN pyrolysis plants. If you have any questions, please contact us.